I hope y'all are ready. I went and got my fireworks for the night, for the new year. Free fireworks on the stock market from my dividends. That's why you should invest your money in the market. Got all kind of stuff, man. As you can see, Baja Brew. Some gingerbread man stalks. Got rockets. Not stalks, I'm sorry, man. Gingerbread fireworks. Got rockets. Something here, the Thunder Sea War. Some kind of mortar things and baseball bats, and it's a super slugger. Some more little Roman candles. It's a big thing here, man. Flying the aerial circus repeater. Some more bottle rockets and little fountain stuff. Some more mortars, stuff, you ball shells or whatever. Yep, got a nice little variety of things. What is the M90s? Got some smoke bombs. This one I want to see right here, the Barrage Fire Candle. See what these local rockets gonna do. Poco Loco airstrike rockets. So you got a nice variety of stuff, man. We got a couple packs of these Roman candles for these kids. That's what they like. And some other fountain stuff, Serenity, Colorful Noise, Noiseless Fountains, and Brooklyn Bridge Fountain Show. Y'all stay tuned because I'm going to put them online on my channel as I do them, piece by piece. Go get your money.